everyone, this is Kathy Lean with your top 10 crypto charts for the week of January 31st. First, I want to wish my friends who celebrate the Lunar New Year a very happy New Year. I know I will be celebrating it myself. The new year is definitely one, we're looking forward to, hopefully, with some major changes in the way we've been living our lives. With that said, though, one of the other things that we're very excited about is all of the opportunities that we've seen in crypto. Not so much this week, though, because it's really been consolidation. But I think, in the coming weeks, we should see some increased volatility, which will be quite exciting. So what you're looking at right now is Bitcoin. And for those of you that are Crypto Crusher members, we actually have a live short trade in Bitcoin. And, we'll have to see how that works out. But, the past couple of trades like this one, all worked out very nicely. It's basically catching the retrace. Overall, the downtrend in Bitcoin very much remains intact. We're in consolidative mode. 40,000 is the level to watch on the top side. We need to close above 40,000 to open up the door for a stronger rally. We do have support down at 32,000. Now, of course, it's much lower than where our targets are. At Crypto Crusher, our targets are 4,968 and 31,000. We'll be moving our stops to break even when that is reached. But in terms of the moves, we've got support in the near term at the January low over here, and then at this 100 SMA, which is right at 32,000. Downtrend does remain intact. Very tight consolidation. I think there's been a lot of volatility in the stock market. I think crypto usually lags a bit. So I think we may see some catch-up moves soon. Ethereum bounced on a Friday, but very modest bounce, also consolidation mode. If you look very, very closely, we've got a little bit of a downward sloping triangle. Very far from a break here, but consolidation is tightening, which means that we're gonna have big breakouts soon. The main support level is the January low at 2,160. Resistance, we really need to get above 3,000, but 2,800 is definitely an area to watch. For the time being, consolidation, and we're on breakout watch for Ethereum. Binance, looking a little bit more bearish because we have a little bit of higher lows. And 400 is the level watch. If we break above 400, we can jump up to 440. This one definitely looks better on a spread basis. Solana, on the other hand, doesn't look as great. It's touching, or it's hovering near the bottom of its range, which if you look at the slightly longer term Solana chart is also the lowest level we've seen since August. So, quite some time. Downtrend still remains intact. 80 is support, 110 is resistance. Litecoin, also flat. These type of consolidations can't last for long. So we will have to see, how that's going. But I think, 100 for now is holding. We may spike below there, but you can see from the sharpness of the recoveries at this point and this point that there's a lot of bids at 100 for Litecoin. In terms of resistance, there should be a lot of offers at 120 as well. So I think it's going to be consolidated for Litecoin. Polkadot also consolidative mode, 22 resistance, 16 support. Something's got to break, and I think with some of the other big rate decisions we have this week, we may start to see that happen. Cardano, same story, tightness in ranges that we are seeing there. With Cardano, if we take a look at the weekly chart, you can see that it's still very much in a downtrend, and we've got spike lows. This spike low coincides with this spike low. So 92 is very, very important support for Cardano. Luna, very, very aggressive sell-off, 8% decline. 44 looks like it's going to be tested in this coin, and I think downtrend very much intact on this. Ripple also looks like it wants to move lower towards 55 cents, and the bears, it's consolidated, but it still kind of looks like the bears have control of this. Dogecoin, not much going on in Dogecoin, and I would say that 13 cents near-term support, 16 cents near-term resistance. We're watching this one very closely. And then last but certainly not least, the one probably that is the least interesting right now is Shiba Inu. Nothing going on, very, very tight ranges. We usually don't see these tight ranges last for very long. I think it's itching for a breakout. I think, the move in Bitcoin is going to lead the moves in these other tokens. So keep an eye out for that. If you want to get trade ideas every single day, almost every single day, whenever we have them, I encourage you to check out bkcryptocrusher.com.